welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Diet & Co box, and it is my second active box. I enjoyed my first active box a lot. Plus size activewear is kind of hit and miss, and the last time I tried the Diet & Co active box I kind of had a lot of things that I liked, but it's a little pricey, so that's the only downside with some of this stuff. So what you do is you pay a $20 styling fee. They send you 5 pieces. If you keep all of the pieces, you get 25% off, and you get that $20 styling fee off. So if your total is $100, they will subtract 25% off of that, and then they will subtract that $20 also. So it's kind of a bargain if you purchase everything. Now say I only like one top and it's $59. They'll still take that $20 styling fee off that top, and it'll now be $39. So don't really lose, but you can definitely win. So if you buy anything, even the one item, they'll still take the $20 off. So it's kind of like you're not really losing the $20, especially if you buy something. Sometimes you may have something that only costs like 30 bucks and you can get a top for $10. So it's kind of cool. They also have 2 types of subscription boxes. They have a style box and they have an active box. I do have style boxes on my channel as well that I've done in the past. It's really fun just to see different outfit ideas, different things that can get sent to you. I usually keep like 1 or 2 pieces from them if I do like them. Again, you can get some really good bargains also, but I will put the link in the description, so if you want to check it out. It also, I always forget what size they go up to, but they go up to like 24, 26W, and I think they start at size 14. So it's definitely targeted for plus size, and that's a great thing about it also. So with that being said, I'm going to get into my box. I did already open it, and I already did the try-on portion of this because I'm running out of time to send my stuff back. So I kind of had to rush because I just haven't had time to film the video, but I knew I wanted to try it. So yes. So I'm going to show you guys the pieces of what I got, and I'll give you the prices, and I'll let you know if I decided to keep anything. Stay tuned. Okay, so I do definitely like this top. I got sent mostly tops, and I got sent 1 pair of pants. But this top is a cute purple little tank top. And it's just got like a little V scoopy neck in the front. And it's got mesh on the back. Just like your typical like workout gear. And it's got like little holes in there. Not too bad. So that's the first piece. The next one, I wasn't so in love with this. I'm not really into like workout tops, like actual t-shirt tops. But I don't mind tank tops. But this is just your basic workout tee, and it's like this gorgeous pink tank top with that like threaded look in it. And then this is the back. It's got that mesh look to it, and it's got a scoop neck on the front, and it's just got basic short sleeves. And this was probably my favorite. This one is another tank top. In the front, it's like, and I like it because it's this like really dark gray. It's almost like an antique-y looking gray, like if you actually see it. Like, I can't really explain it. But it's like a basic tank in the front. But then you got this like little party going on back here. And it's like these 3 individual strings with bow ties, or with ties, with strings. But the one thing I don't like is that the sides are like those wide sides. So, you know, you wear a sports bra underneath and see the sports bra through. So, I mean, overall it's not bad. I don't mind it. It was probably definitely my favorite out of the whole entire box. Pants. It's so hard showing pants like on the camera because they're like big, but it's got a drawstring front. I don't know if you can see, it's right here. Okay, you can see it now. So drawstring front, it's an elastic obviously. There's front pockets right here, which you'll see when I try it on. And then you don't have anything in the back. And it's got this like, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like these line details right here. So it's more than just like average black. It's got some detail there where like the pocket is. And then I didn't know this until I tried them on, but it's got like the cuff on the bottom. So it's one thing I really liked about these was that. So I thought that was really cool. And these are a 2X. And they're by, oh, I don't know how to say that. Mark New York Performance. They're called Duke Joggers, and they're $65. I definitely do like these though. I don't want to pay $65 for a pair of joggers, and I think that's the only thing that stopped me from keeping these. But I really do like them. Because I have been wanting like a pair of like, you know, joggers that like are like tied at the bottom, if you will. So I'm going to do a little bit of research. If I can find them somewhere else, I'm actually going to check tonight because I'm going to mail this out in the morning because it was actually due back today. But today's Sunday, so I can't do that. But if I do find anything else, I'm probably just going to send that back. So this is the bra. I'm pretty sure I showed this in the video too, or at least I tried to. So it's almost like formatted like an actual bra. Like it has adjustable straps on it. And it's got this in the back where you can adjust it. And then it's super like this is like super lined. It's got elastic in the bottom, but it's like really in there. And the material's like, it's almost like a wiki material. And then they also have like the lines and the definition in the front to like support and hold your cup. And then like there's like padding in here, you can feel it, it's thicker. Overall it's like a nice like made bra. But when I put it on, and I think again I showed this in the video, but when I put it on, it was just too tight. Like it was like clinging all the way in. I have a sports bra on right now. Of course, sports bras are supposed to be tighter because, you know, you're supposed to wear them when you're working out or when you're, you know, whatever, lounging. So you want to keep them in, you know. They're not supposed to look cute. But this definitely does like support you, but it was just too tight for me. Like it literally was like, not so much here, but it was just like in the cup area. Like I just felt like I was just suffocating too much. I tried adjusting the straps and stuff and it just wasn't working for me. So with that being said, everything all together would be $233.95. And then if I were to purchase everything, they would take off 25%, so that'd be $58.49. So it would be $175.46. So it would be $175 for all 5 items, which honestly isn't that bad for a DI box. Because sometimes you're looking at $200-300 for 5 items. So $175 isn't bad. Oh, and it's $20 off also. So it'd be actually $130 or $135. So again, it's not awful. It's not terrible. But again, you have to look at the bigger picture. If you're not going to buy everything, like really, what's the point? And like I said, the only 2 things I'm kind of interested in, because I don't really do the t-shirts, would be the joggers would be $65, but I would still be paying $45 even if I got the $20 off. And then the tie back tank would be $20 because it's $39. So rounding up, it would be 40, or you know, 40 minus 20. So it'd be $20. Which again isn't that bad, but the one thing that I really just don't like about that top is the fact that the holes in the arms are so big, because I don't want to have to like be conscious of what I'm wearing underneath, if that makes sense. Like I just want to throw it on and then not have to worry about it. I guess I have to think about it, but I would definitely probably keep the gray top and the black pants. So I'm going to think about it tonight. I'm going to see if like I have any other options online for joggers, and if I do find something, I'll probably just buy it through another site. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you a little bit. And again, I will leave the information down below, so if you want to get your own Dia and box sent to you, usually it takes between like 2 to 4 days to get it. And then they give you 5 days now. It used to be 3, but they give you 5 days to send it back. And it's prepaid. You just throw it in the envelope and you mail it back out, or throw it in the mailbox. So it is very nice. I'm going to probably have another style box soon, just because I like them and I want to see. I do kind of want to shop around and see if there's any other subscription boxes that I can try. I think I tried ThredUp ones. Their clothes, like, they weren't really targeted for plus size people at the time. I think that they have like a plus size version now. So I'll definitely look into that, and if they do and I feel comfortable with it, I will definitely grab one of those too, so I can show you guys my experience. But until then, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!